Hey my loves, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, where we create cozy, elevated, modern luxury moments right at home. Today I'm bringing you something that fits perfectly into our self-care, elevated living routine, because y'all already know when I'm decorating, cleaning, creating, or just having a quiet moment, I love feeling put together. And listen, I've been running around all week between filming, editing, decorating the house for Christmas, and I said to myself, girl, sit down and treat your skin. That's the reason we're here today. Today's video is sponsored by CUEME, and we're diving into their LED light therapy mask. And when I tell you, this has become my little luxury moment at night. Before we jump in, go ahead and hit that like button. It really supports the channel. So this right here is that CUEME LED light therapy mask, a professional grade LED facial mask that brings skincare clinic results right into your home. You heard me right, skincare clinic results. No appointments, no waiting room, just simple results. Guys, once I did unbox it, I will show you every single thing that's inside of this package, but I'm going to also give you the details for this LED facial mask. What I love is that this mask uses 7 LED color mode, each one targeting something different. Red light for anti-aging and collagen, blue for breakouts, yellow to brighten, and more. You just choose the one you need depending on how your skin is acting that day. And some of you guys may be just like me. Your skin changes with the seasons. I'll be glowing one week, then the next I'm drinking water like it's a full-time job just to keep up. I do think it's a lot of us out there like that, but this fixes all of that. And to me, you guys, these are the 6 best tips for using this CUEME LED light therapy mask. Tip number 1, use that red light 10 to 15 minutes nightly. You heard me right, nightly, to boost collagen. Also, tip number 2, use the blue light after removing makeup to help calm your breakouts. Tip 3, always cleanse your face first. LED works best on a clean surface. And you guys maybe like me, sometimes I use just plain water to clean my face. Sometimes I use a little bit of alcohol. Sometimes I use a cleaning product. Whatever your routine is, always make sure that you clean your face first. Tip number 4, apply a hydrating serum before using for a deeper absorption. Tip number 5, and this is always going to be the most important tip when you're doing anything for skincare. Be consistent. The LED is a routine, not a one-time miracle. Let me repeat that for you once again. This LED light therapy is a routine. It is not a one-time overnight miracle. And last but not least, tip number 6, use during nighttime wind down for best relaxation benefits. You guys are going to see me use it. I not only use this thing at nighttime, you guys, I use this during the day while I'm cleaning and just moving around the house as well when I feel like I need that extra or lush or hydration that I do need in my face, that's when I will pull this thing out, pop it on, and just continue to go. Now, I've been mainly using this after my evening shower, when I dim the lights, turn on some music, and it's just become a whole moment for me. And yes, your girl has noticed my skin is looking calmer and smoother. And my sister was telling me, she was like, hey, looks like you're beginning to now to start age backwards. You guys, I'm telling you, this here is the key. If you want to try the CUEME LED mask for yourself, I have a discount link down below. Treat yourself, especially during this holiday season, in the beginning of the new year's, when you want that clean, fresh start. And two, most of the time, my skincare regimen is more on the minimalist side, because a lot of times my days are hectic. I have a lot of things to get done. But while I was doing my self-care routine is when I started thinking, you know how we decorate our homes for the holidays, but we rarely give ourselves that same level of attention. Sometimes the luxury is in the little things: a clean space, a glowing tree, and also a glowing face. It all works together. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next video, because the Guilty Frost Living Room series does continue. Comment down below if you want a full nighttime routine in my luxury home video. Also, share the video with someone who loves skincare or home spa nights. Join my VIP membership. We have exclusive behind the scenes and early video access. So thank you again, CUEME, for sponsoring today's video and helping us bring a little bit more luxury into our everyday routine. If you've been wanting a simple but powerful way to elevate your skincare at home, this mask is absolutely and positively worth it. Don't forget, grab my link in the description for that special offer. All right, my loves, I hope today's video gave you a little inspiration to take care of your home and yourself, because at the end of the day, home life is the best life. Treat yourself to a luxury moment right at home. Shop the CUEME LED Light Therapy Mask using my link down below in that description. And also, let me know if this LED red light therapy has made you excited to try it first for yourself. I'll see you guys in another upcoming video.